Menology, the study of calendars. Apiology, the scientific study of honeybees. Anemology, the scientific study of winds. Pomology, the scientific study of fruits and fruit trees. Ethology, the scientific study of animal behavior. Paleography, the study of ancient and historical handwritings and manuscripts. Selenography, the study of the geography and physical features of the moon. Onomastics, the study of history and the origin of proper names. Oology, the scientific study of birds' eggs and nests. Oneirology, the scientific study of dreams.